Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can convert a business Instagram account to a creator account. So guys, want to know how to convert a business account to a creator account on Instagram? Make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, there's something that you need to know. There has been a lot of changes on the Instagram app. The normal way that we do convert from business account to a personal account and from personal account back to a business account has totally changed. The process has changed, the procedure has changed. So I'm going to be showing you guys the updated procedure that you can actually use to convert your business Instagram account to a creator account. So guys, if you're a content creator on Instagram and on various social media platforms, then you're watching the right video, because you're going to be able to convert your Instagram account to a creator account. Because by the end of this video, you will learn how to convert your business Instagram account to a creator account, which will make you as a creator to become a professional in the Instagram platform. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first step that you have to take now is to tap on your Instagram app to open it. You can see I've tapped on my own, it's opening. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your Instagram profile icon. You can see there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, as you can see, this is a business account. As you can see, that's a professional dashboard. You can see the arrow pointing at it. This is to confirm that this is a business account. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top right corner. So let me tap on it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on settings and privacy. You can see that's the top option. You tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to tap on business tools and controls. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the business and controls, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written switch account type. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, here you have two options: switch to a personal account, and the second one, which is switch to creator account. So what you have to do now is to tap on switch to creator account, because this tutorial is actually on how to convert your business account to a creator account. So let me tap on the second option, which is switch to creator account. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see here what you have to do now is to tap on switch. But before we do that, let's read what is written here. You can see what is written there: switch to a creator account. Creator accounts are best for public figures, content producers, artists and influencers. You can switch back to a business account anytime. So guys, once you're done with that, then you tap on switch. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see it's loading up, it's convert. You can see switch to a creator account. You can see it there. So guys, can see what is written here: your creator account is ready. You now have a tool to connect with your audience on Instagram. You can also connect your account to a Facebook page and edit, display or hide your contact and category info anytime. So guys, can see now, if you want to go ahead to edit your creator account, you tap on edit, but let me skip on it. So guys, if you look closely at this Instagram profile, you will notice that there has been changes. You will see that this professional dashboard, if you tap on it now, let me tap on it. You will see that the professional dashboard of a creator account is totally different from the business account. So let's scroll down. You see that we have the tips and resources. You see we have so many options here to use. We have the tools. So guys, can now see now we've been able to convert our business Instagram account to a creator account. This is how you do it, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.